Let's get rid of this one. Okay, guys, you might be wondering why I'm in between these two boxes or 4 boxes. Today is an unboxing of the Michaels Grab Box. So if you want to know what I got in my Michaels Grab Box, then keep on watching. I bought Michael's Grab Boxes, and if you haven't heard, every season Michael clearances out their stores and puts them in these grab boxes, and basically these grab boxes are filled with random things, and each box costs only $5, and you could probably get items that are well over $100 worth of products in each box. So it's that good. It's an amazing deal. So this happens every season, every end of season. So now the back to school season is kind of dying down, and so that's when they start to clearance out items that are back to school stuff. And I've seen some amazing unboxings. Last year I didn't catch the back to school one, so I'm so excited that finally I caught the back to school grab boxes. There's really no advertisement about the sale. You just have to call your local Michaels stores and ask them when these boxes come out each season. And if you're lucky, they'll tell you the exact date. But for my store, they always come out every Monday at the end of each season. I look forward to the after Christmas sale because you could get like a whole Christmas tree for like $5. Literally. So I cannot wait to unbox this. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna bring these boxes down so it's just easier to manage. Okay, so first box. Let's just go ahead and open this one right here next to it. Let's see what we got. Again, this whole box is $5. Okay, so, this is a paint pouring kit. Okay, so some arts and craft right there. And this is normally priced at, wow, $12.99, guys. So what a deal. I got another one of them. I see some letters. The letter O, the letter D, which is perfect because this is my last name. We've got another letter O. You know what? If I got a B instead of a D, it would have spelled boo, right? Perfect for Halloween. What is this? Puffy chalk paint. Puffy chalk paint, guys. $9.99. Okay. Sidewalk chalk paint kit. Ooh, $14.99. No, that's Canada. It's probably like $12.99 US. Bubble wands. They're originally 99 cents. I got 2, 4, 6, 8. I also got a coaster. Ooh, this is cute. Very spring-like coaster. Super pretty. It's $4.99. And I got a letter L. These decorative letters are actually $16.99 US, or that's their retail price, and it feels heavy and good quality. I got more puffy chalk paint. My table's full already, and that's only one box. What is this? Animal sculpture kit. That is so cool. $14.99. You got a tiger and another tiger, another $14.99 retail price. Oh, I love this one, the elephant. Okay, glitter bubbles to go. I never ever heard of these before. Very nice. I've got 2. They're $2.99 each, retail price. Now, you know at Michaels, you never really pay original price. You always wait for the sale, but the quality of the products are always amazing. Here's some more coasters. Let's see. These coasters seem like hard paper. It's not really like glass or anything fancy like that, but it's still pretty. Like this would be perfect for the summer parties, you know, and when you're done, you can just throw it away. I don't know what this is. It's $14.99, guys. Comment down below what you think this is. I honestly don't know what it is. It looks like a nice, like, rock coaster, but I don't really know what to do with it. More bubbles. Oh, what is this? Paint pouring kit. Another one of those paint pouring kits. And I've got one beautiful spring flower. And these guys, just this one set is already $3.99. That is just one box, and that's only $5. So what do you guys think so far? Let's move on to this box right here next to me. Now, I have to tell you a story. My mom actually got the grab boxes for me because I work in the mornings, and if you don't get to Michael's before, like, I want to say noon, you're gonna run out of grab boxes. If you're lucky, you might see one or two, but I wanted 4 minimum. You can kind of peek through into the boxes and see what's in there. Initially, what was showing was just this blue pillow. And I would be like, if I saw this, I probably wouldn't pick this box, because what is this? It's not my color theme. And if you look at this design, it looks like, you know, you tried to watercolor the thing, but you didn't finish, or you didn't do a good job. So I was like, oh man, you know, why would she pick this box, right? But when you turn it around, ta-da! This is such a nice summer pillow. It says fiesta or siesta. Wow. What do you guys think? This is so cool. It is $24.99 retail price, guys. And then we got more coasters in this box. And another pillow. So this one says, what does it say? Our Cottage. I love this pillow. It's like a nice, super good quality. The fabric doesn't look like it's old, like it's super brand new. Again, $29.99. And I love this because actually I have a lot of brown furniture, so green really complements, you know, these types of colors. School supplies, right? We've got borders. Borders. Each one of these guys is 99 cents. Not bad. I didn't know borders were that cheap. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 posters. We've got Think Before You Speak poster. If you're a teacher, you can post this into your classroom, but you can also put this in your child's room, right? When you enter this room, you are an author, leader, scholar. I'm definitely gonna bring some of these posters for our classroom at work. You're not gonna believe how much I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, 18 of these guys at $1.99 a piece, or $2, so that's like $36 worth of those posters. All right, that is all gone. The big letter D. This is perfect because this is actually my last name. Starts with a D. It's $19.99 retail price, guys. It has a lot of distressing on it. It's great for like a farmhouse style kind of decor. I love that it's bright yellow. Like, I can definitely use this in the summer. And then home is where your honey is. Aww. This is $12.99, so we've got a decorative frame. Loft Grenier, DIY modern mini room piece. So this is nice for artwork. Look at that. Here's an example of what you could do with this design. I love that I got these. These are cards. Look at that. Love you latte. Ah. Oh my goodness, I love this. This reminds me of my friend Vanessa and also Hillary. Oh, they both love coffee a lot. And Mare, I mean, who doesn't love coffee, right? Everybody loves coffee. And Ruby, hey girls. I love this. And you get the matching card, and there's some stickers. This is turning out to be a good box. There's 20 cards in here. Hooked on cake. Who is hooked on cake? Oh gosh, I must need glasses because it says hooked on the lake, not cake. This is $9.99 retail price. Okay, Living the dream at the lake. Again, $9.99. More cards. Love you latte. Super cute. And then, okay, I don't know what to do with this, guys. This is $24.99 US. 2 towers. You know what came to mind when I saw this was the Twin Towers. 9/11 is a day that we'll never forget, and I just want to remember everyone who sacrificed their life on that day. I feel like 9/11 was a day when true humanity has come out. It's the true essence of humanity, and we all stepped up. We all came together as a country, as a nation, as people, as individuals, and it was just great to see. But where can I put these? Comment it down below if you have any ideas for these 2 decorative items. They're super cute. Maybe for the backyard somewhere. I am the worst at being crafty. Like, I have no arts and craft in me. I do not do DIYs. I like mine done and done. The last thing in this box is again another one of those rock-like coasters. That is everything in the 3rd box, all empty. What do you guys think so far? I am definitely liking this season. It beats the last season that I had. I think it was the after summer season where all I got were a bunch of flowers. For someone like me who don't do flower arrangements, it was a lot. And there was so much flowers everywhere that I think after filming that video, I got an asthma attack. Okay, last box, guys. We got another Home is Where Your Honey Is. This one, I'm definitely gonna give to my daughter. I think she'll get a lot of use out of it. It is a dry erase banner. So you can plan out your day, Sunday through Saturday. This is $19.99, guys, retail price. Wow, very nice. And then I got another one. And another one. This one's a different design. This is nice too. Oh, this box was meant for me. The letter T, right? Wow, and it's pink, $12.99 retail. Very nice, and it looks like this is something that you can hang on your wall. So you might see this in my corner very soon. This one is so pretty. I think I'll hang this in my son's room, and it's $24.99. Wow. All right. Congratulations, class of 2021. This is cute and all, but it's expired. This would have been nice. $14.99. Comment down below how I can upcycle this because it's so pretty, and I got like 3 of them, guys. What can I do? Like turn 1 into a 7? Okay, we've got a little plastic planter right there. Super cute. A big giant ribbon for $9.99. This is nice. Welcome to Paradise. Aw, $9.99. Another Welcome to Paradise. Another one. I got another one of these. Class of 2021. Welcome to Paradise. Okay, I've got a bunch of little planters. Isn't this cute? They're not real, they're artificial. They're $5.99 each, retail. More little flowers and like a bouquet. Flowers. Let's get rid of this one. Then you have the yellow little flowers. I think I'm gonna have to give this to my friend who did an amazing job at doing a flower arrangement for like an Easter one, and that's what she did for the leftover flowers that I got. Here's some more. I mean, this is so cute to put in my little corner, Terry's corner. Change it up a bit. Here's another one. And these are retailing for $5.99 each. And this one, without the pot, is $1.99. So these are all like $1.99 each. More flowers. And this one is $5.99. Another white potted artificial flower, $5.99. These are $1.99. More of these. We got more flowers. Here's some more flowers. Flowers. I think this is the flower box, guys. More flowers. More flowers, potted flowers. I like these little ones. We've got more flowers. Got like 10 of these for $5.99 each. So one little plant already paid for the box. More flowers, flowers. The last of it, guys, are flowers. What do you guys think of my 4 grab boxes? So overall, I paid like $20 plus tax. So I think it was around $21.90. And I got all of these products. I think I hit the jackpot on the pillows for sure. I love some of these flowers, and the cards is another one of my favorite, and the wall art. So I feel like I definitely got my money's worth. I think the next time I'm gonna get a grab box is gonna be the after Christmas or maybe the after Halloween sale, so that way I can have like more fall decor for next year. I feel like this is one of the better boxes that I've gotten in a long time from Michaels. I'm happy with it. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. So definitely check it out, join the family. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.